Hello student, I am Shashi Rahati. Today I am going to take biology class of standard 8th.
Today's topic is transport of food and minerals in plant. In this topic, we will discuss about transport process in plants. First of all, we will know that what is transport. The meaning of transport is movement of water, minerals, any substance from one place to another place. What is transportation? Transportation is the process in which substance absorbed or produced in one part to other part. It is mainly done by the conducting tissue. There are two types of tissue, xylem and phloem. Look here, this is the diagrammatic representation of transportation of substance in plant. We know that water and minerals present in soil. Root is also below the soil. Root absorb water, minerals and send to the leaves through the tissue, conducting tissue, xylem. In leaves, water makes food by the help of photosynthesis, by the process of photosynthesis. End of this process, glucose is formed and oxygen is released. This glucose goes to all parts of the plants through phloem conducting tissue. Especially in glucose is moved down to the growing root, and some glucose moves up to the growing bud. This picture shows what is the process of transportation. I will repeat again. Look the figure. We know that root is below the soil and water and mineral present in the soil. This root absorb the soil and send to the leaves through the conducting tissue, xylem. Here photosynthesis process formed, and end of the photosynthesis glucose is made. This glucose moves down to the growing part of the root, and some glucose move up the growing bud, and then whole parts of the plant, whole glucose move through phloem tissue. Other function of root. Root anchorage of plant. Anchorage means root firmly hold the soil and keep straight the plant. Site of storage of food and other nutrients. Carrying out life processes such as photosynthesis and transpiration. Here, one point is very important. We know that water is very important component for plants. It plays a significant role in. Without water, there is no photosynthesis and there is no transpiration. So, carrying out life processes such as photosynthesis and transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. Fourth point, absorbing minerals from the soil. Here the root, it is below the soil and absorb water and minerals. Structure of root here. Root is covered by a cap-like structure called root cap. This root cap protects the delicate part of the root, especially apex. This part. This is the apex. Here in the apex region, root cap is present. When this root invades the soil, this root cap protects the root. Root is covered by a single-celled layer called epidermis. The epidermal cells have finger-like projection just like our hand. The epidermal cells have finger-like tubular outgrowth which increase the surface area of soil to absorb more water. Means this is the root. Tip of the root, it is covered by a cap-like structure. This cap-like structure is called root cap. This root cap protects the soil. When invade the root to the soil, root cap protect it. Roots covered by a whole root covered by a single cell called epidermis. Epidermis. Epi means outer, dermis means skin. The outer called epidermis. The epidermal cells have finger-like tubular outgrowth which increase the surface area of the soil. ये epidermal cells increase the surface area of the soil to absorb more water, but cells does not allow to pass everything because cells have semi-permeable plasma membrane. What is semi-permeable plasma membrane? You know, every cell's plasma membrane is also called cell membrane. Whole cell is surrounded by a delicate thin layer called plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is pores-like structure. This plasma membrane have pores-like structure This pores-like structure allow only selected materials and water molecules to pass through it. Now we start structure of root hairs. Root is covered by a cap-like structure called root cap, which protect the delicate part, especially apex part. This is the apex part. Root covered by a single celled called epidermis. Epi means outer, dermis means skin. The epidermal cells have a finger-like tubular outgrowth, just like our finger of palm. Finger-like tubular outgrowth which increase the surface area of soil to absorb water, but cells does not allow to pass everything because cells have a semi-permeable membrane. What is semi-permeable membrane? Semi-permeable membrane is the thin membrane that allow the movement of some selected molecules through it. For example, water molecules can easily pass through the membrane, but it prevents the movement of solute particles like sugar or salt. Plasma membrane has tiny pores that allow only selected materials and water molecules to pass through it by a process of osmosis. Plasma membrane is also called cell membrane. What is osmosis? The movement of water or solvent through semi-permeable membrane from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration. Look this figure. This is the schematic presentation of process of osmosis. This figure show movement of molecules through semi-permeable membrane. Here minerals, here concentration of minerals is high. Here water, concentration of water is high. Water move through higher concentration to lower concentration, but minerals does not pass through semi-permeable membrane. Now stop this lesson. I will give homework on TENO. Thank you.